Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to this writing lesson. Today, we will practice free time activities and the present continuous through writing.
Great. I am ready to write.
First, listen and write will help you hear a short text and write the words you hear. Second, make a sentence will help you create your own simple sentences with useful words.
Writing helps me remember the new words.
Exactly. So let us start with listen and write. Listen and write. This activity is a dictation. I will read a text aloud, and you write what you hear.
I will listen carefully and write.
Listen to the whole text means you listen first and get the general idea. Write what you hear means you write the words during the dictation. Check and correct means you compare your writing with the original text and fix mistakes. Do not worry about every word the first time.
I will focus on the main idea.
Good. Now listen to the dictation. At home, Mia is drawing a small cat right now. Her brother is watching TV, and her mother is cooking dinner. Outside, two friends are riding a bike, but Tom is not running today. He is listening to music and walking slowly. Now I will read the text slowly, piece by piece. Nexo, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Let us begin. At home. Mia is drawing a small cat right now. Her brother is watching TV. And her mother is cooking dinner. Outside, two friends are riding a bike. But Tom is not running today. He is listening to music. And walking slowly. Well done, everyone. Nexo. How was the dictation?
It was good, but some words were difficult.
Now you can compare your writing with the original text and correct your mistakes. Make a sentence. Now we will build 6 sentences. Use one main word in each sentence, and you can use the 20 helper words. Try to use the present continuous when it sounds natural.
I can make simple sentences.
See an example means we will listen to Nexo do the exercise first. Make your sentences means you create your own sentences with the main words and helper words. Nexo, please make one sentence as an example.
She is reading at home.
Good example, Nexo. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Reading. I am reading a book now. Drawing. She is drawing a house. Swimming. They are swimming in the pool. Cooking. He is cooking dinner. Dancing. We are dancing at home. Watching TV. My dad is watching TV.
Excellent work, Nexo. Now it is your turn. Pause the video and complete the 6 sentences. Good job. Good job. You practiced writing with free time activities and the present continuous. Thank you for learning with us, and see you next time.